I opened this wig and immediately was like, oh no, uh-oh. Not sure I like this. I felt it looked really dark and it looked really stringy. So I was kind of like, I don't think I like it. Put it on and I love this. And you would not think that, looking at how beautiful this style is, that I was very unsure about it just an hour ago. Look at that. But I was. So let me tell you what I did to make myself love it and to correct all of those issues I saw. First thing, it actually wasn't as dark as I thought. It is a dark color. This is color 1BRH30, and that is pretty dark, but it does have that warm brown and even some lighter highlights through here that kind of brightened it up a little bit. So that was kind of instantly crushed. Whenever I put it on, I'm like, okay, it's not as dark as I was thinking. Second thing is it was actually kind of stringy, but that's just because it's been sitting in the box. It's straight from the manufacturer, and that is very simple to fix with just a wide tooth comb. So I just kind of went through, pulled those curls out into more of like a wave pattern. You can see here just like that movement of the curl, whereas before they were like springy, stringy curls. Just was a little intimidating to see that at first, but it really breaks up very, very easily. Even if you went through with a paddle brush very gently, it would pull it out even more. And you can even go in with your hands too and just kind of pull that fiber and fluff it up, move it around. I think that's like one of the most under talked about parts with wigs. Get your hands in there. You can do so much with just finger styling and building volume and movement. Look at that, pulling some layering out. That is so pretty. Oh my gosh. I cannot believe I was unsure about this. This is beautiful. Next thing is, because it was so dark and stringy, those ringed curls were just really picking up a lot of light. And to me, it just looked very heavy on the doll shine. If you have any style that feels like it's too shiny with the synthetic fiber, dry shampoo is gonna be your best friend. I would recommend getting the shade that's proper for your wig. So if it's a dark wig, you wanna get the brunette. If it's blonde, then you'd wanna go with that classic light blue can that's got the powdery white finish to it. This one's got kind of like a light brown finish, but you can just take it and just work it through those fibers. This is gonna give you an instant powder finish that is gonna help just dye down that doll shine. And it builds too, so if it's like super shiny, kind of continue to do it. The more you wear it, the more you spray on it, the less it's gonna shine up. Look at that, that's so much better. You've got a fantastic lace front, look at that. Lays down super flat. You've got a mono top here, so you could move this part anywhere you want and you're gonna have that natural part line immediately. Isn't that amazing? I love a good mono top. I kind of liked where it was though. There we go. There she is. There you have it. If you open a style and you're like me and you're like, whoa, I don't know, give it a chance. Give it a chance, because you'd be surprised what you can do with very little and change your whole mind on it in just a couple of minutes time like I did, because now you ain't gonna be able to get me out of this wig today. I love it. Thank you guys so much for tuning in today, and I'll see you next time.